All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's 9 in the morning. It's a little earlier than usual, but I just wanted to kind of see what I'm telling you. I kind of like longs here. It's pre-market, but we're hitting this right here. This, and I really like it to go longs here. This is the plan. So this is the overnight lows right here, as you can see here. I like it to go longs here for kind of a double bottom. We just got rejected here. A nice rejection, so I'm waiting for a nice little drop more, and I would like to go longs here. But the overall picture still here. We're dropping. You see this? I would like this to see break. We are at the GP right now, um, so that's what I'm looking at. It might take some longs here, guys. I do like it here. Um,
Order filled.
I took in my other account. See what happens. I'm gonna take some longs here too. I do like it here. An NQ.
Order filled. Order filled.
See see what happens. It is pre-market still, but I still do like it. No, we're not taking that much of a loss. For a quick scalp to the downside. If it starts breaking below here, I'll cut it. But I still do like it over here. Let's see what happens. You get a nice push up. I mean, just a nice little like kind of being this and kind of pushing up. Let's see if we can get another nice little push up. Come on, pushes up. Again, it is pre-market, so market tends to move a little slower. But I did like this double bottom here. I might come down here and even test us like right there, which is fine. I don't mind it, but I definitely like it again to try it. I don't think you have any other news. Let's X that out. I did go in my other one too, so hopefully you can bounce back because that one I went in with minis. Let's see what we can do here.
Order filled.
There we go. We're pushing up now. Again, that's nice little bounce. What I'm looking for, 873. I'm looking for kind of there. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, that's what I would expect it. 15 minutes. Nice little push back up. Yeah, nothing crazy, but just to get something here. Come on, pushes up. Bastard doesn't want to go up. You see how it moves below a lot slower here in the pre-market. That's just usually how it is pre-market. I've traded pre-market overnight, and it tends to do that. Might come down a little lower here and go, but let's see what happens. We should get a nice little bounce up, and nothing crazy, but just a nice little bump so we can try to push this up. Again, it comes back down like here. I'll get out. So hope we can get a nice little push up here. What's that? 871. Come on, pushes up. 868. I'm looking for that, and my other account for a nice push up. Yeah, we're probably around there. Yeah, kind of a 1-to-1 here. I don't want to take another one and get a nice get cooked here, but we should bounce here. A nice little push up. Again, nothing crazy like it should be, but it should be a nice little bounce here, and then we come back down again. Just because of this, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Right there. That's basically what I'm looking at. So I did get in a little earlier, but again, if it starts breaking down, I mean even below that, I think that's kind of where it's like, all right, we're out here. But let's see. Come on, pushes up, pushes up. It's a nice double bottom. Yeah, maybe trading pre-market's a little slower, so this tends to take a little longer than usual for the play to either work out or not, regardless of what's gonna happen. But we're still here looking. I might get out and take a small loss, but again, I'm not taking a big loss. Looking at my other account because the other one I went with minis, which I'm down actually a pretty good amount, but we should get a nice little bounce here. Come on. If it doesn't happen, we'll get out, take a small loss to begin the day. But it is what it is. I was expecting this to come out of break. What did I get? I get in here. I really should have waited to there. To there. Because that's what I was looking at. And impatience, guys. That's what happens when you're impatient. But back to break even. Okay, we should get a nice little push up here. Nothing crazy. Oh, come on. It's all getting just eaten up right there. On my other account, I missed it by like, let's see. I missed it by 3 points for my first exit. That's crazy. That's so crazy. All right. His look, he just wants to just dump even more. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. But we're in it. This was what we liked. This was our trade. So we're not gonna. It is what it is. I kind of want to take another one here, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Even though this is making a nasty candle here, I want to take it and put our stop loss like right there. I'm gonna get a little risky here, a little frisky. I do like it.
Order filled.
Yeah. If we can get a nice little push, I'll sell one right there. Nothing crazy, like $20 or so, but at least it'll get us to that. It'll get us out. Yeah, if it's $100 loss, I probably won't even take it. I'll probably take it if it gets down here. I'll probably get out. We'll see. We'll see how it works. Got a little ballsy here, guys, but I like it. We're kind of keeping this so we can get a nice little push up to like this area or so. Move this stop loss up. There we are, guys. Working right now. Come on, hit us. Hit us. Come on. It's baloney, guys. Doesn't want to hit us. It's right there. What is it? It's 2 points away. It doesn't want to hit us, guys. Come on. Look at that. That's such baloney. Such baloney. Oh, man. Okay, that looks like it's gonna drop, but we got little balls and you added another one there, so now our risk is a little higher. So we'll see what happens here. Again, I am expecting nice. We should balance a little more, but it is a 5 minute. What do we got? We got another 3 minutes on this candle. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, I got filled my other one. There is that little push. There we go. Oh, and there we go, guys. See? That's what it's about. I knew it was coming. Look at that. Oh, man, that was just skyrocketed. Look at that. Oh, man, we just took off so many. I made, what, $80 on that? My other account, we just made $300. But, oh, man, we could have made so much more. But you saw it. It was kind of frisky there. And then, oh, man, that would have been nice to catch. But that's it for now, guys. We'll wait to see if we can get another play, but that was the play right there. All right, we'll catch you in a little bit, guys. All right, guys, we're back here. So market just opened up. Still gonna take some longs here at the GP from right here to right here. Looks like a nice right there. I like it, but it looks like we're just gonna drop. So I really do want to take them. Let's see how this one. Look at the 1 minute. See if this 1 minute can hold up, and I'll take some longs here. But it doesn't seem like it wants to hold up. Yeah, it wants to. Let's try it.
Order filled.
MNQ. Let's see what happens. I like to hear. Not taking any big losses or anything like that. Where's the other one? There. Come back. We're looking at. Come on. From here to there. All right. If it starts backing off, Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I don't think I like that.
Order
Yeah, we'll
filled.
take that loss, guys, right there. I did not like that. I was looking for this right here, this GP. Maybe I should have waited for this 1 minute to close, and I didn't. We're down $26 now. Hitting this right here. I like that, though. Get out of here. Yeah, I like it here.
Order filled.
That's kind of where I would like to see it. Where's this other one here? Breaks below, we're out. I like it here because of, we're hitting here again. Trying to hit this 94. There we go. Can we hit this 94? That's kind of where I was looking at. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Let's take one out here, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. It hit our freaking, wow, and it missed us by that much, guys. Look at that. 83. It missed us by 1 point. Oh, man. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, man. That's annoying. We're up, what, $70? Now we're down $30. And now it's going to push up. Look. What was it? We were like right there. I think we were trying to hit this right here. Somewhere around there. That's annoying. I like the GP. I should have waited for that 1 minute, so that's my fault. And then here, it was perfect entry, I think. It was a good entry, but I should have taken at least a partial there. And then second one would have hit us. Oh, man. That's annoying. Look at that, guys. We took this before. Went all the way here. Came back down. Look at this sell. Jeez. If it breaks this, I'm taking some shorts. And that's going to be my last. But that will be my last one. Let's see. Yeah, this is just. Let's see. That was such a. Start with one here, guys. Just one. No, I don't want to get crazy, and if it comes back around here, maybe I'll add another one. But that's about it. See what happens. Taking this slow now because I just took 2 losses in a row. Nothing crazy. I mean, actually, we did mess up. Well, that one was like we're up 70 now. We're down 30. But let's see if we can get a nice little flush here. Again, we come back around here. I'll take another short. Do like it. Yeah, around there. Yeah, I like it here. Yeah, I think I like it here, guys.
Order filled.
Let's go. And I'm looking for probably around there. And I will get out earlier before that 1/14 because I don't wanna go all the way up there. That's gonna be too much. We got a nice low drop. Let's get one here. Limit buy because we sold. Come on, drop. I like the drop here. We added around there. Hit us here. Hit new lows. Be out right there. But yeah, we don't want to take a huge loss here today. Let's see what happens, guys, here. Down $50. I think we're out here, guys. I think we're going to get out here. Yeah. Let's see. Come on.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Out here, guys. Minus 118 here. I think I overtraded there. Took like 4 trades. I was hoping this would break down even more, but it just kind of was. If anything, it was liquidity. Look, it actually it would have hit our 100 and 100 loss there. If this comes back down right now, that's terrible, guys. We were up 500. We took another trade. We shouldn't have taken anything. It would have been good. I think what messed us up, guys, was that GP we first took right here. I should have waited for that 1 minute to close. Because if then I wouldn't have taken that and I would have waited. Even if we took this loss, we still would have been minus $30 or whatever. But we'll call it a day here. We're down 118, which sucks because we were up $200 basically more now than we are. But it is what it is, guys. If I take another trade later on, I will. But now I'm done. I'm not taking any more trades. So I'll see you later. All right, guys. Here we're back. I was on my phone. I wasn't on my screens, and as you can see here, I took a long on MNQ. I really liked it here because it was testing a trend line from the 2 other bottoms, which I really liked. You can see here in the NASDAQ C. So I like that a lot. I saw it in the Nasdaq, so I took a one long on the MNQ here. At this point, I definitely was over trading. Don't get me wrong. I already took 4 or 3 trades before. I was down 120, as you can see here in the top left, but I still thought I had one more in me. So that's why I still took this trade. I was confident. I still liked it. I was not aware what was going to happen with the rest of the market, but I liked it. That 517 that you're seeing right there, that's kind of where a point where I was probably going to be like, all right, if it kind of breaks below that, we're out. But see, drawing this trend line, trying to keep it nice and neat, but it just it seemed like it was really bounced because as you can see here, we just dropped like considerably the whole day. We were just dropping. I wasn't expecting for a huge bounce, but I was expecting for some kind of bounce, and that's what I was aiming to try to catch it right here. All right, guys, and then here I ended up taking another one kind of off screen, but still you can see here it's still the same levels. I was up around $50 or so here. I was really hoping for this 593, that 600 level. I really thought that it wasn't going to be able to get through, but just in case it bounced hard, I was at that 617, the second sell. But I just kept it here. I was looking for a stop loss where I really wanted to put it. So I just kept looking, can't see where I wanted to see because I didn't want to. If I took another loss, I didn't want it to be like a massive loss. But again, at this point, I'm already over trading. I'm emotional. I'm trying to get back the 120 that I lost because our first trade was green and now we're red. So this is where people tend to tilt. Here you can see I'm putting my stop losses. Okay, I'm like, all right, this is where I want to be. Up, see 67. This is where I should have taken a partial. $75, close to $80, and I got greedy trying to get that back, and I don't. I'm just waiting for it to hit myself, which is, you know, the way I trade, I always take a partial just in case. But I'm here, I'm getting greedy. I'm letting my emotions control me instead of trading how I usually trade. So I'm just waiting and trying to see what's gonna happen now, and waiting honestly for this to kind of come back. Like it could have easily just come back and hit me on the ground. But I'm looking at the 1 minute, trying to see kind of where logically it makes sense to take a partial or what's going on. And I'm just waiting. Nothing really going on. And just kind of, at this point, I'm kind of hoping. And then I believe I got off my phone at this point. And then this is where really I went all the way tilt. All right, guys. Back here, I took. Oh man, I just broke even. Yeah, I went on a little bit of tilt here on MNQ. I was here when I entered, and then all of a sudden I saw this, and then when I caught it, it was already here. So I waited for this to come back. I went, as you can see now, I'm 6 here, so I'm just gonna take my profit here. I'm not trying to take. Just gonna sell them all. I'm not trying to limit sell. Yeah, sell 5. Because we bought. I'm not trying to make any profit or anything. Just get out because this was a bad position. I don't like it. So yeah, we'll sell out here. We're at $60 or whatever it is. Get us out. I'm not looking for anything now because we did bad. This was not what you do. I was trying to just lower it down. Like I said, I got on here and then all this happened when I wasn't even looking at, and it all this happened. It got me. So when I saw this, I added like four more, and then now I'm just trying to get out, break even, and call it a day. Yeah. I don't want to even do any. I don't want to. Not trying to make profit, just trying to get out. This is not what you do. Not adding so much, so it can bring my average down from like here to here. So it is what it is. But what are you gonna do? Can you just get a green one? Oh man, I just had it. Oh, that's baloney. I just had it, and then look. Did you guys see that? Oh, there we go. Sell me 5. Oh man, how much sell? It looks like it's coming up, so it just doesn't wanna, huh? What are we looking at? The 1 minute, yeah. I'm not getting greedy. I'm just gonna get out. If we can get out there, it'll make us $54, and then we're out. I'm not trying to. Again, man, I just want to get out of this position, and then call it a day because we're already down 120, and then all of a sudden we were trying to. I saw this. I was here. All this happened. I saw this. I had 4 more to bring my, as you can see here, to 518 or something, whatever it was. So just to get out. So let's see if you can hopefully you can hit us. Oh my God, I should have just taken it when it was there and I didn't. Come on, what you want us hit us? I'll get out. We'll call it a day. This is a tilt Friday. This is not what you do. It's not how you trade because that's how you lose money. I did have stop losses and I just didn't take them. I took them out because I was trading from my phone. And that's what happens. That's what happens when you don't do that.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Sold some money. I got what, 1 left? Yeah, I have 1 left. I'll take my $40 here,
Order filled.
and we're done with $73. I'm happy with that. Even if it keeps going up, I don't care. That was a very, very bad trade. Something you don't do. Again, I got in around here. This is around somewhere around here, or around here, I think. Around with 1, 2, and then I had my stop loss here. I took it out because we saw this nice little pump. Didn't take it because I was looking for like around here. Came back down, and then I didn't even realize I took because I was trading off my phone, and then this all happened, and I was down like $200-300, and I was like terrible. So what I did, I waited here. Again, this is not how you trade, so I didn't like it. See, now it's pumping, but whatever. It started trading. I saw this. Once I saw these 2 candles right here, and then I waited for this third one, that's when I added like 4 here, which brought my average from like here to like whatever it was, like right here. So I just waited, and then we had this huge jump. And then again, as you guys saw now, I just got out. We made some profit, but like, again, we're still down $73 for the day. Not happy with that trade. I'm very, very lucky because that could have been easily, if this came back down again, with like a $300-400 loss on the day. So done for the day, guys. We'll call it there. Bad trade there on my part. Trying to just get that 120 back that we were down, but I will take the 73 for the day, and I will call it a day there, guys. Thank you.